Hello, I just wanted to give a quick demo of this KPI tracker I created. So it was tracking for how many tires were being built per day. So as you can see here, they have the option to set, really it's a weekly goal, but the goal is to meet these green cells daily for that week, right? So they can set these to whatever they want. So say we go to 320. And then all the cells below for that week are color coded based off of our key here. The white is the in between inadequate and expectation. I just didn't put it there because the three main colors were going to be that. So each week they can set their individual goals for the days, and then it'll automatically calculate based off of their input here. We'll get our totals down here. This is the daily breakdown. So after they do all that, you can see that, I just input a bunch of fake data in here. So after they do all that, then we have the weekly sheet that's pulling the totals row over into this weekly sheet so that we can get a week by week breakdown of how we're doing in terms of our weekly goals, right? So then we have how many days they worked, the week of, and then all of the metrics going across there. And again, this is color coded so that we can see how the weeks are going, as we progress throughout the year. And this is created for the whole year. Same thing in this. All we do is just continue to input all the way through the year, and then at the end of the year, we would just save a copy of this, reset the page, save the data to a database or wherever we choose, and that's how that would work. So then we have our monthly breakdown that is taking the totals of each month of all the metrics and calculated them here. We could create monthly goals based off of, because that's how these weekly goals are being calculated, as these again are automatically set up with conditional formatting that, tally up this total of, if they do this times 5, that would be the goal for the week, right? So that's how the goals are set for the week. And then same concept for setting the monthly goals. We just choose not to go that route for the monthly portion. And then the last page we have here is the projections. So we can see we have days of the week and days in the week that we track each day. This is the weekly goal, which again is automatically being updated based off of what they're putting in this section each week. And then we're getting our total for the week currently, how we're averaging per day, what we're projected for the end of the week. So we can see, our goal was 1,400 and we're projected to do 1,489, right? And it's the same thing. If I change this to a 3, we can see that everything updates automatically and our projection changed because, now we went from 5 days down to 3 days. And then we have here the difference, the difference between where our projection here and what our goal is. So obviously, because we changed the days, now we're looking like we're going to be 1,000 over goal on that metric. So that same concept moves down to the months. We have days in month, and then day of month, and then days in month. And same thing, we would just check this. So say 200. Then you can see that all of our metrics for projections and everything has changed. And now suddenly we're going to be well under, what our yearly goal is based off of, again, what we're setting in that daily goals section. Over here, we have 2 just small graphs to track how we're doing throughout the year. So, and I made these to be able to change based off of the drop down selection. So right now we're looking at total tires. But if I change this to, let's just say inspected, then you can see that it's breaking it down by week. on how we're doing. So, you know, we have a big drop on this week here. Maybe something happens, right? And then same thing, this one is going by month. So if I change to buffed, you can see it slightly changed, inspected. So these are changing based off of selection. So that's just a quick rundown demo of this sheet I made. Thank you for your time.